Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Real quick, when I say live, what I mean is I'm recording myself right now in real time, seeing the information, seeing the data for the very first time. So to honor your time, if you are looking for a video where the person's got hindsight in their favor and they're doing a trade recap or something like that, this won't be a video for you. But if you are open to the idea of an unscripted, nitty-gritty look into what it's like to be a day trader and how day trading can play out, then I'm confident you'll find value in this video. So I will pause recording software for now, and I'll be back at market open. Have a order out for put at 1270. I'm doing options. And I'm at 1270. Let's go to 1210 now. If you're not sure what options are, let me know in the comment section and I'll link you to a free class that I did. It's like 20 minutes long called The Big Basics of Options. And it will help clarify what you're seeing here. Okay, we're going to go to 1170 now. All right, I will go ahead and pause. Well, no, very jumpy right now. All right, I will pause. Okay, maybe 1150 in. No, I only have one. No, I have two. Okay, so got in at 1120 and out there for $60. Was confused at first because I think I had a partial fill at first. I'll have to go back, but I think my order over here was yellow, which meant I only got one of the two contracts that I wanted. But I'll have to go and double check that. Go to 970 now. We'll try again if it wants to keep moving up. So a quick little $60 scalp there. And I'll go ahead and pause. Are you going to try to pick up put here at 2150? And nope, did not quite work out. So never mind on that one. We'll see if it wants to come up. And I'll try again up a bit higher. Have an order at 19 now. We'll go to 1870 instead. I will pause, but I'll keep a close eye on it. Have an order at 1770. Okay, in. Yeah, and that was just right from the get-go. Waited way too long for that entry point. Oh, wow. I thought I was getting out with $20 loss. I got a break even. That was just, I should have canceled that order and moved it down, but I waited. I got filled, and then just like that, I'm going to spin it in my favor. Good reminder of why I cancel orders like that, because I waited, and then boom, just like that was underwater in a bigger way than what I wanted to be. Granted, in hindsight, I would have been okay, and I still did get a break even, but yeah, like I said, I'll spin that in my favor. So you know what? That's what happens when you don't enter in the way that you should. So we'll see if this wants to come up some more. Be interested in trying again, but yeah, well, I don't know, $3 loss, $2.50 loss with commissions. So break even as far as the gross is concerned, but as far as the net, slightly negative on that one. Well, we'll see if this wants to come up some more and potentially try it again. $14.50. So, all right, I will pause. Have an order at 1570 for some puts. So this needs to pop up a bit more. I'll keep a close eye on it. Okay, I have an order at 1950 and I'm in. One contract. That was a big move there. Let's see what it wants to do. At this point, I'm in loss control mode. No longer looking for a gain. Just trying to keep this loss as minimal as possible. Trying to get out at 19, and there I am for a $50 loss. So now basically break even on the day, maybe up a few bucks with commissions, but well, I thought that was going to be a great entry point, and it wasn't. Now I realize I was probably down. I didn't watch the P&L, but wow, you were down quite a bit, and well, yeah, that's loss control mode. I've learned that don't need to hit the bid, don't need to panic out. So instead of taking whatever you saw, maybe $100, $150 loss on it, I took a $50 loss. But yeah, today is granted my first one, or the $0 trade, that was, yeah, I shouldn't, that was a mistake on my part. I should not have accepted that entry point. But that one that we just saw, that was no mistake. I got in where I thought was going to be great. I got filled very quickly. It was very smooth, and it just did not work at all. So yeah. All right. Well, like I said, we'll just call it up, basically I guess you're not up if it's break even, but I'm slightly up on the day. We'll call it like $2 probably up. But if this wants to come up some more, I'm willing to try it again. I'll go ahead and pause. Okay, I have an order at 19.10 for some puts. I'll go ahead and pause. I have an order at 19.70. In. And out for a $30 move, which was just, that was like pulling teeth too. That was supposed to build my confidence back up. Let me just take one, make it be a very simple trade, and that was not, I mean, that took way longer than what it should have. Throw an order out at 16.10. See if we can get just some sort of explosive move that just really snaps up and fills me. But it has been the struggle bus for sure. Even that trade, like I said, that was supposed to be a little confidence builder. Well, let's just take something really simple here. I mean, it worked out, yeah, but I mean, that even felt like pulling teeth. I mean, I'm still interested if this move wants to come up some more. I'll go ahead and pause. Have an order at 22.10. Nope. Okay, I got to learn from that. Go 21.50 now. Not learn from it, but just remember from that first trade, it hesitated too long, so I needed to just move along from it. I'll go ahead and pause. Have an order at 19.70 here for some calls, so this thing needs to come down a bit more. In. and out for 60 bucks, but I was going for 100. So I couldn't. Yeah, I think I better be done. You can hear in my voice, this should not be this difficult. Now in hindsight, Clay, you would have been okay. Yeah, that's hindsight. And I guess I am kind of yelling at you, but I'm more so yelling at my frustration is just speaking. So yeah. Again, I got 60. So I mean, I realize if this is your first video, like, are you really that upset about making 60 bucks in like 10 seconds? But it should be going quicker than that. It should not be this difficult to do this. And I mean, this is a great move right now. If it wants to come down some more, I mean, I'm willing to try again. 1550, I'll throw an order just in case it really wants to spike down there. Maybe I can get an epic entry point. But I am on the struggle bus and frustrated, and maybe I should not be trading. Maybe I should not even have this trade out here right now. Granted, I'm trying to factor in my frustration by throwing it kind of at a obnoxiously low level, 1550, not even close. But so in my mind, I'm being very conservative if I were to get filled there. But yeah. And again, I realize, yes, Clay, you would have been okay. You would have gotten your $100 had you waited a little bit longer. And that you're not wrong. But as I always say, you also have to acknowledge that you're now speaking in hindsight, and it's trading is very easy in hindsight. I'm like richer than Elon Musk in my hindsight trading account. But yeah, some of you are probably commenting, I don't think you should have another trade on. You sound kind of irritated right now, and you know what? You're probably right. But wow, it just, I don't know, just one of those days. I will pause. Have an order at 1750. You know what? I need to just play this extra conservative, and if it means that I don't get an entry point, then so be it. So I'm now at 1670, which I admit, a bit far off now, but I'm just going to play, or at least try to play this extra conservative. So I'll pause. I'll keep an eye on it. Have an order at 1610. Nope. It's hesitating just right there. Okay, this is weird. I'm going down to one contract. I'm going to 1470. This is some bizarre action going on right now. I suppose in hindsight, I would have been okay, but still, it hesitated right before, which that first trade I don't like. All right, I'll pause. Have an order at 1410. Go to 1320 now. I will pause. That was a spike, and I was actually on best bid. If you scroll back, you'll see what I mean, but I didn't get filled. But I'll pause. Have an order at 1550, and it was close as it dropped all the way down here. And now it seems to be coming back up, so never mind for now. At 1970 in for some puts. Try it 1990 here now. Just watching. See if it wants to come down a bit. Wow, and I can't even get out at 1920. Why is it so difficult to get out? Look at this. Finally. And I'm at 0. So with commissions, probably down 20 bucks on the day. What a train wreck of a day. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. I don't even know what to I feel like I've never traded before. Absolutely ridiculous. I mean, even trying to get out there, you saw it was just like pulling teeth. None of these entry points made, I mean, crazy. All right, I'll pause. Have an order at 1670 in. How am I not out? Oh, I never put my order in. Oh, that just summarizes my day right there. Sitting there, why am I not getting out? Why am I not getting out? And then I put it there, and oh, because I never submitted my sell order to the market. That's kind of the cherry on top almost. Now, was that a puppet trade or a puppet trade? Was that a force trade? I would argue no. I'll let you be the judge. To me, it was very simple. Area of resistance, moving average. They were both essentially at the same area of the chart. Picked up some puts at that resistance. Need a little bit of a pullback, and I got it, and it worked out just fine. Maybe you think that's some sort of bogus setup that I played, and that obviously you're entitled to your opinion, but I would not call that some sort of just random level that was just kind of plucked out of thin air. But there we go. Made $100 on that trade. And now I'm back up $100. Again, with commissions, not sure where I'm at, but just from an overall standpoint, $100, but let's see. Next area is up there. Oh, needs to be a little higher. There we go. So if it wants to get up to that blue line, I would once again be interested. I'll throw out 1450 just in case it spikes, but that's sort of a guess on if the option price will actually get up that high or not. I will go ahead and pause. Have an order at 1550 to pick up a call here. See if it wants to pull back a bit more. I will pause. I'm at 1470 now. Okay, once again, it feels like this is going to be one of these situations where it snaps down, so I'm going to go down to 1410 now instead. I will pause. Have an order at 25 for some puts. Let's see if this wants to push up a bit more. Okay, at this point, let's go to 2450. I will keep a close eye on it. Have an order at 1370. Oh, come on. Nope, that's what I wanted. I will pause. Okay, have an order at 2150. Did not get filled on that push, so I got to go back to 1950 now. I'll keep a close eye on it. I'll pause. Have an order at 1850 now. In at 1850. Getting in at 1850. Out. Even that was just difficult. Just difficult. So, well, that's gonna... What am I gonna title this one? Clay in the Clown Show. Clay in the Clown Show. The Struggle Bus. The Clown Struggle Bus. Something that's gonna imply just Struggle Bus, because it was just... I couldn't do... I don't think I got a single good entry point. Maybe that one trade where I forgot to put in the sell order, which that one was actually pretty good, to be honest. But other than that, I don't think I'm having any confirmation bias. I think that was the only one where I actually had a quality entry point. Everything else was just like pulling teeth. So closing up 150 with commissions, let's call it, I don't know, 130, 125-ish. So I'll take it, but yeah, today was definitely... Have you ever had a day like this where you feel like you don't do anything right? You feel like you're not watching a clown show, you're in the clown show because you are the clown. So let me know in the comment section below. But yeah, that's all I have. Like I said, if you want to learn more about the options, then let me know in the comment section. Just say options guide or something like that, and I'll link you to that free class so you can better understand what was going on here. But yeah, definitely a struggle today. So if you're still here over 20 minutes in, I consider us friends now. You've endured this, struggle bus journey with me. So I thank you for still being here with me. But that's all I have. Like I said, if you enjoy these, hit that like button, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.